guys, in this video we are going to understand a concept that is A/B testing in Meta Ads. When you create a new ad campaign in Meta Ads Manager, then at campaign level you get a section that is known as A/B test. As you can see, I am into my Meta Ads Manager. I am creating a new campaign and I am at ad campaign level. And while creating an ad campaign, you can check that there is a section named A/B test. What it is, you can understand it helps to improve ad performance by comparing versions to see what works best. It means when you run an ad campaign, if you're creating multiple ad sets, right, and you're targeting different audiences in each ad set, then Meta will try to understand and make detailed analysis that which ad set is performing and giving you the good results. And on behalf of that, you can make decision which ad set you should keep running, and the another ad set which is underperforming, you can simply pause that particular ad set. You will come to know which audience is giving you better result, right, if you may do A/B testing. For accuracy, each one will be shown to separate groups of your audience. What does this mean? It means that when we target an audience, Meta will bifurcate that audience, will create smaller groups of that audience, and will showcase our ads to different groups that Meta have already created. And on behalf of that, Meta will study, Meta will make analysis and showcase you that which particular audience have given you a good result, so that you can improve the performance of your ad campaign. So if you want to turn it on, then you can turn it on, else you can keep it off. It is not mandatory to turn it on to create a new ad campaign. If you are a research analyst, then it's good for you. And if you are a beginner, then I would suggest you to keep it turned off. If you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then kindly check our video description below. You will find my website link over there. You can simply visit our website, can explore our digital marketing course, and can purchase directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.